I don't know why he didn't bite it. I think that means one thing. Different jigging wrap. Cody! Get over here, buddy! Hooked up! Fish on, Cody! Yep. Yeah, it's a walleye. It's a nice one. I just saw him. Pull my deucer.
Yeah.
Last time he did.
Barely under the ice. Jeez, you got the heater rolling?
Yeah.
He's gonna get in there. Come on, tight.
Huh? Here he is.
Oh, there's a nice rod.
Oh, no.
Get a hook to the hand.
Yeah, don't get a hook in the hand.
You just barely got him.
I know, right in the corner. I put it in the mud and he chomped it. Nice one, dude.
One hook going in him.
One hook? Heck yeah, dude. That's a nice one, eh?
Yeah, he's fat.
Very fat. Holy cow. Hold him up.
I didn't catch up.
Huh? That's a nice one. Very nice. Oh yeah, sweet. There she goes. Whew. That's a big one. I saw it swimming in and out, and then I'm like, where the fuck is this thing? So I hit bottom, lift it up, and on. Just marked another one.
Oh, I lost him.
No!
So why don't you come out here? How do you like it?
Come on, you're supposed to get him through the hole. Shit, dude. Was it?
Feisty son of a gun.
Oh yeah, he just...
I'm drilling this fucking hole. second one.
Dang it.
That's the last one did. Give me the old strike faster.
You landed that one.
1 for 3. Boy, that was a feisty one too.
Just came in and smoked it.
He's done what they all have done. Come in and smoke it.
That'd be a little better than mine. I'm working with.
He got a big old,
Yeah, he does.
a little noggin on him. A little Green Bay nugget on him.
Give him a little dip. Take
If I lose him,
You ain't gonna lose him.
the little feller. You get a wart on him. I really didn't want him.
You weren't gonna eat that one, were you? You ain't gonna lose him.
I'm gonna go hungry tonight now. Get a picture of him at least so we can say I caught one.
Ooh, that's a nice one, dude. Let me get on this side.
Do this one.
That's a nice one.
It's on my phone. What was it?
I couldn't tell. I saw its tail. Oh, it's nice. It's a walleye. No, it looked like a walleye.
It's like a northern. It's running like a northern.
Oh yeah, it is. Frickin' northern.
Frickin' northern pike. Angry sometimes.
Tuned up's just getting a workout right now.
Old snot rocket. Your frickin' noggin in here.
It's a decent northern.
This might be a teamwork one. You got her down in his guzzle.
Oh shit, where'd I put it? You gave it back to me, didn't you?
I think so.
Hold on, it must be in the shack.
Alright, it's gonna be a little teamwork. You just gotta trust me.
Holy.
You just gotta trust me that I'm gonna hold his mouth open.
She doesn't look that bad.
You hungry for a northern pike?
Not really.
I don't like any of them. It's not a bad fish though.
Yeah?
You want to talk about aggressive one? Jeez.
Just smoked her.
You didn't really think twice about
You
it.
didn't break your fins. Usually they break your fins. See you later.
He going on.
Blue and chrome's hot.
Don't you tell him.
Was it?
His head got stuck on the bottom of the hole.
Marking 2. Gone. On. Don't flip it up. Unzip it. I'm caught on the ice or something.
Yeah, I can see your jigging reel.
Is it just a wrap?
Yeah.
Shit.
Don't call me again.
It was small. You're good. It's in his mouth, so somewhat. That's a nice one.
We are winning tonight. Oh, you're gonna drop them down the hole too?
No,
I like doing
drop
that.
them. I don't drop them.
I like doing that too.
Another beauty. Very nice.
That's a nice fish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Take it on my phone.
Yeah. Nice work.
Oh yeah. I mean, he didn't even fucking embark.
I might jump out here. Shit. Crushing them.
I haven't saw it yet.
It's pretty big on the freaking.
Oh shit. Pull that out, you're good. Oh, it's a big ass walleye.
Is it? Come on. Nice and easy. Oh yeah. Nice and easy. You're good. He's hooked pretty good here. Oh, yes. Let's go, dude. Oh my God.
I don't know if we can go home, Dakota.
Dude, that's a stud.
Right here.
Holy crap. Hold on, I don't want to break your fin.
Yeah, I only got half a fin.
Oh my God.
It's a nice fish.
That's a tanker. Wow.
I mean, talk about just coming in and smoking it though.
Just marked him and he just...
I barely marked him, he came in so fast.
Really?
I just smoked it.
Wow.
It's a fat fish.
Yeah, it is. Nice. Green Bay Gold strikes again. Nice one.
Tonight.
Yes, they are.
Number what, 4?
Yep.
And we lost 3 at the hole so far? Yeesh.
Yep.
Got good odds, but it's coming together.
Oh yeah. We'll take it. It's a
I
nice
got tape
one.
measure in my pocket. Oh, only 26.
26. Fat though.
So you let her go.
Yep.
Goes.
Good work. Oh my God, that's a big fish, dude. I did. He came in high, so I came up to him. Cody! He's right here somewhere, buddy. Okay. No way. Yes.
Daddy.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah.
Did you yell my name twice? Oh, he's starting to bleed.
Is he? Yeah, I yelled for you twice.
Oh. When you yell, I'm like, what? I didn't hear you the first time. You sounded like in a panic, like you're falling in.
I think my pliers is in this pocket.
You put them away already?
No, I got it right here. Hold on, my finger's probably like right next to that hook.
It's.
Oh
I
yeah.
don't know why.
Well, that's a wrap. Packing her up.